Hello, welcome to my channel. We are making lip gloss. Okay, start with the Versagel from Bougie Barbie. Bougie Barbie is lit over here, okay? We watch her videos, and I've been watching her for a minute. That Versagel is very, very good. And then you're going to need a syringe. I got that from Amazon. You're going to need that squeeze tube thingy. That's optional. I got that spatula from Dollar Tree. You're going to need a bowl, of course. And that's a vitamin E pill, but vitamin oil is good too. And you're going to see the other oils that I have. I have some grapeseed oil. I heard this is like the best to put in if people are allergic to like coconut oil or whatever the case. And that is the pigment. Those are the pigments I got from the Bougie Barbie starter kit that I ordered. And this, honey, get into this. I got that from Target for like $3.99. Gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. But the pink one is what I'm going to use. I don't know if I'm going to use that one. The glitter. So, first we are going to start with some Versagel. I don't know how much I put. I probably added some later. Like, added some more. But we're going to put a good amount. Everybody likes their consistencies different. I like mine like not too thick. But I just got some lip gloss from this really dope black-owned business. And it's really thick and I love it. Like, I love it, love it. But Versagel. Me figuring out what I'm going to do next. I was very nervous making this video. Like, very nervous. I was scared. I was going through stress. I was nervous. I'm like, this is my first one. I want to make it count. Period. See how bad I am? That is coconut oil. I didn't even show you the coconut oil. That's coconut oil I'm adding in there. Oh, I did show y'all. Organic coconut oil that I got from Aldi. Well, my mom got from Aldi. And then we're going to stir that up. So bad at this. Get it to the consistency that you want it. Because everybody likes their lip gloss differently. That's my mom opening the thing for me and putting it in there. Thanks, Mom. Thanks very much. So I'm going to stir that in. So vitamin E oil. You can put as much, I believe, as much oil or as little oil that you need to. And yeah. Okay. So now we have to get it to the consistency that it needs to be. Whether you like it thick or not thick or a little bit oily or just not oily at all. That's really up to you. Okay, so I'm showing you all the flavors I have. I have strawberry kiwi. That one's nice. Cotton candy, you can't really smell it. Pineapple, my favorite. That's my favorite. Coconut, can't really smell it too much. Fruit punch, tropical punch, that's another favorite. And pomegranate is a favorite. But I can put y'all onto something real quick. I'm putting the pink pigment in. I don't know what it's called. I just got it from my starter pack from Bougie Barbie. So if you're looking for good starter packs, go to Bougie Barbie. That is good. It's a bit pricey, about $90, depending on if you want to get all of those glitters in the corner. But a good place to get flavoring oils is this place called Get Suckered. Really good. Look it up on Instagram. But I'm just putting the pigments, and I know for a fact that I'm probably going to add more, but you just start off slow and you just keep going, because I can't add the whole pack in there and then be sick when it's too pigmented. You don't want your lip gloss to be too pigmented. I learned a lot, unfortunately. Got a lot of time on my hands, so I learned a lot from YouTube. You don't want your lip gloss to have too much pigment, because it's going to feel weird on the lips. So, yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm mixing it around or whatever, making it look like so. making it look like something, and I know it's already too light for me, but it's very pretty color already. Very, very, very pretty. Okay, so like I said, adding more pigment because I want it to be real pigmented. And you're going to see something really cute at the end. Well, not the end. You're going to see like what I added, and it's so... I think this lip gloss came out so cute. But yeah, now I'm making it a little bit, more pigmented because, yeah, we love pink. Like, when I was younger, I used to really not like pink, but I really am starting to like pink. I'm starting to buy more pink shoes. Love pink. We love her over here. We love pink. We are not against pink, okay? But yeah, really, really pretty pigment. Need to get more of this, definitely. And that's a good consistency, but I still added more because when I make lip gloss, I tend to get a little crazy. Like I want to do too much, But I added more because maybe I wanted it to be thicker or whatever, because I started to see it was a little bit too pigmented for my liking. And I just added a little bit more. You don't even have to add extra vitamin oil, vitamin E oil, or grapeseed oil. You don't really need to if you don't want to. Just get it to the consistency you like and make sure that it's good. Don't do measuring at all. We black over here. You put as much as you need to, and you get it to how you need it to get, and it'll come out great. So this was the surprise. This glitter is fire. Like, I'm gonna add this. It's so freaking pretty. Like, I'm really, really, really in love with this, man. In love.
And
Yeah, so I'm very clumsy. I got that from my mother. Thanks. Very clumsy, but yeah, like, look at that. The pigment plus the glitter is just standing out. It's very much standing out to me, and I love it. And yeah, we're just gonna mix all that in, and I probably added more. Who knows? But I really like the way it's looking. It's really coming together. I think, yeah, this is my first lip gloss that I'm ever making, and it on camera, and it looks really, really good. And I'm liking it. I feel like I'm getting better and better. The more you practice, you can only get better. Like, come on. That is so pretty. Like, really, though. And I'm afraid, like, one thing I recommend is get 60 milliliter syringes. Don't get the skinny ones because glitter gets trapped in. You'll see in another video that I make, the glitter literally got trapped in the part. So it was more, it didn't come out the way I wanted to, and you'll waste product like that. You'll waste glitter like that, and you don't want to do that. But this is me sucking it in. This is the way I do it. And then at the end, I did it a different way because I like it this way. Don't get it twisted, but it's harder. People could just get a spoon and put the rest in there. But when you have a large amount, you can literally just do that. When you have a little bit amount, I recommend just getting something and scooping it inside of the syringe. But look at all that I got in there. Come on. Come on. Amateur who? Amateur where? We don't know her. Practice, and you cannot be an amateur. Like, practice. I was going to say practice makes perfect. Yeah, I think that's the right saying. But I'm putting it in the squeeze tube, and here's another technique. I have those syringe, the things that you can put on top of it, but I didn't want to because I saw a technique, and this is the technique on how to do it. You put a little in, and you squeeze it about 2 or 3 times, and then boom. You don't really need those little tubes that you stick on there and like cut and then do that. No, you don't really need it. But I eventually I never ended up using it. Yeah, this is a good technique. Thank God those glitters did not get stuck inside. And it looks really, really good already. And we not even done. It looks really, really good. Look at that. My God. Really, really pretty. And one thing I forgot to mention of which flavoring oil I put, I do not remember. I will try to update you on that, but I don't remember which flavoring oil I put. But it was probably, no, not pomegranate. I will let you guys know which flavoring I put. So, so pretty. Okay, that's the first one, and it looks so bomb. Like, I love that you can see the glitter, like, a little bit, like, in the background. Like, it doesn't take away from the pigment, but it just really looks good. That's me putting the stopper on. Oh, no, I did this twice. Can you say bomb? Because, like, really cute. Like, really bomb. Anywho, this is the second one that I'm making, and it started to get a little difficult. I don't know when it's gonna, like, you're gonna see eventually it's gonna get really difficult. Like, it's gonna, like, explode, because these are tricky. Like, if you're doing it like this, it's just, like, really tricky. It's really a struggle sometimes, and I've seen videos where it's a struggle, but yeah, like, it explodes, like, a little bit, like, but you know, I'm on FaceTime with my boyfriend. I was so stressed about this video. Like, it was stressing me out. And he was on the phone, and he really comforted me. He was very helpful with calming me down, because I guess, want to be a perfectionist, but you're perfect when you are who you are. Like, you know, these videos ain't gonna be perfect, but I'm putting people up on game and helping others and doing something I like to do, and that's all that matters. And he was just helping me. And sometimes hearing somebody's voice in the background is just, like, really helpful, like, really soothing or whatever. Putting the stopper on. I swear, this looks really good. Like, I don't know if I used one, but I know that it's really bomb. And I've sold one to, like, who did I sell it to? I think one of my family members. Bomb. Like, so bomb. I should have kept one for myself, really, truly. I think I still have one. But I might actually try this out. I know that it's bomb. I just don't remember the flavoring. Oh my God, that's his face right there. Okay. This got really annoying. Like I said, when you have less product, it's harder to do it this way. So eventually you got to switch to get the spatula and, like, pour it in there. But, you know, we got it done. There's some in there, but when your lip gloss starts to it's less, just scoop it in there. Make your life a little bit easier or whatever. So this is the third one. And yes, I do want to put that out there, because a lot of people, I guess, just because they don't tell you that they wash their tubes. They wash their tubes. I washed my tubes with soap and water and let it sit before I even made these lip glosses, because I know, like, these possibly can come from China. So yeah, I washed them, so they're safe. And I know a lot of people don't put it up, but maybe they have washed them. But yeah, that's the part where it exploded, and yeah, that's very annoying. So yeah, I just kept going, because eventually it got easier to use, like, but it just was not working with me that day. But I always check to see where it's at, so it doesn't go too over. So when you put the stopper on it doesn't explode. So yeah, those look bomb. I'm not sure if I made 3 or 4, but those look really, really cute. And even with better lighting, you can see the pigment. It's so pretty. Like, I love, 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 love. Like, I don't know why, but that went with my nails very well. Very well. The little glitter, and then you got the diamonds on the... Oops. Jesus Christ. Get me out of quarantine, please. But thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, tell me what you think. I'll make more of these. Bye.